I'm getting the water pump changed to the racing one I bought. I put my radiator hoses on, and I'll put on my double roller timing chain on the car, since I ain't got nothing better to do. And then next time I go to the shop, I'm going to put the head gaskets on. But today, it's just a few things. So let's get over to the shop. And we're back from the shop. They put in a new idler pulley, new tensioner. There's the performance water pump. They put the roller timing chain in, and a new radiator and hoses. So now the next thing I'm got to do is the fuel pump and filter. Then I'm going to have these heads pulled, put in better head gaskets, better bolts, and then we can worry about getting this thing supercharged. So that's about it for today. Until next time, I'll see you.